How to fix Brother MFC L2750DW offline issue. 7 quick solutions. Method 1. Restart your devices. Step 1. Turn off your Wi-Fi, PC or mobile and printer. Step 2. Turn on all the devices. Method 2. Check physical connections. Step 1. Check if the USB cable is properly connected to the printer and computer. Step 2. If using an Ethernet cable, ensure the cable is connected to the printer and router/access point. Method 3. Set as default printer. Step 1. Open the control panel. Step 2. Click on View Devices and Printers. Step 3. Right-click on your Brother printer and select Set Printer as the default option. Method 4. Delete all print jobs. Step 1. Open the control panel and click on View Devices and Printers. Step 2. Right-click on your printer device and click See What's Printing. Step 3. Click on the Printer tab, select Cancel All Documents, then click on Yes. Method 5. Check printer status. Step 1. Open the control panel and click on View Devices and Printers. Step 2. Right-click on your printer. Step 3. Click on See What's Printing. Step 4. Click on Printer, then uncheck the Use Printer Offline option. Method 6. Check for firewall or antivirus settings. Step 1. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Step 2. Open the Network and Internet settings. Step 3. Go to Advanced Network Settings. Step 4. Under Related Settings, click on the Windows Firewall. Step 5. Check for any firewall software settings that might block the printer from establishing a network connection. Method 7. Delete and reinstall printer driver. Step 1. Open the control panel and click on View Devices and Printers. Step 2. Right-click on your printer device and click See What's Printing. Step 3. Click on the Printer tab, select Cancel All Documents, then click on Yes. Step 4. Right-click on your printer device, select Remove Device and click Yes. Step 5. Select any other printer and click the Print Server Properties tab. Step 6. Click on the Drivers tab. Step 7. Locate your printer driver and click on the Remove button. Step 8. Select Remove Drivers Only, then click on OK. Step 9. Click Yes to delete the printer driver. Note, if a window appears with Printer driver is currently in use, reboot your computer and perform all steps again. Step 10. Click on the Add Printer. Step 11. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed option. Step 12. Select that my printer is a little older. Help me find it option, then click Next. Step 13. Select your printer and click Next. Step 14. Select the driver currently installed option and click Next. Step 15. Provide the printer name or click Next. Step 16. Click on the Print a Test Page option. Step 17, click Close, then click on Finish. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.